If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Dataddo, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Login. Access your Dataddo account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Step 2. Navigate to transfers. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use Asterisk to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Locate the pending transfer. In the transfers section, look for the pending transfer you wish to cancel. You may need to filter also the list to find it more easily. Step 4. Select the transfer. Click on the pending transfer to open its details. This will provide you with more information about the transfer and options available. Step 5. Cancel the transfer. Look for the cancel option within the transfer details. Click on it and confirm your decision to cancel the pending transfer. Make sure to check for any confirmation messages indicating that the transfer has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel a pending transfer on Dataddo. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Dataddo support for further assistance.